Have you ever wondered how is your phone changing you? That's right, smartphones are one of the major teens' addictions. So are you ready to learn? Of course you are. So let's find out more about it. So let's see, how is your phone actually changing you? Our phone has become part of us, fully integrated into the daily patterns of our lives. Never offline, always within reach, we now have at our disposal a magic wand of technological power we've only begun to grasp. But it raises new enigmas too. Your phone may be changing your brain and your behaviors. How so? Let's watch a video and find more about it. So after watching the video, how is your phone changing you? Let's answer some questions about it. First question, how many people on earth own a phone? Let's find out. Well done, 6 billion. Second question, how many hours a day do people spend looking at their phones? Let's find out. 4.7 hours a day. What a waste. Third question, in the 70s, about a quarter of the population had some kind of eye disease or nearsightedness in North America. That's right, myopia. Question number 5. Today, in some parts of Asia, a huge percentage of the population is now nearsighted. Can you imagine? 80 to 90% of the population. Number 5. A compulsion loop is similar to the effects of nicotine and cocaine. That's how addictive smartphones are. Number 6. Why is it hard to put your phone down? I wonder. That's right, because it constantly provides new content and keeps you hooked. Number 7. What's nomophobia? Let's find out. That's right, the fear or anxiety of being without your phone. How crazy is it? Number 8. Can your smartphone disrupt your sleep? Of course it can. And number 9, last one. How many hours before going to bed should be technology free? According to scientists, 2 to 3 hours before going to bed, it should be technology free. Well done, you've nailed it.